All right, here we have a little bit of water in our vacuum pump. Let's see what happens. That's super cool. I guess I could have pushed pause, but I figured you'd want to watch this. All right, a packing. Let's see what happens here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome, right? It's gonna be all gooey. Gooey. Oh. Gross. But oh, it smells amazing. Wash this off. Fall. It should be pretty cool. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. That's awesome. Look at that. It's an upside down smiley face. And we let the air back in. Back to normal. And we've got, oh, I got some Peeps. These are pancake flavor Peeps. Deliciousness. They're old though, they're stale. So I'm not sure what they're gonna do. That's as big as they're gonna get. Let the air back in. Oh, look at this. It's hard to see it, but it's definitely flatter, more dense. Look at that, it's smashed. Looks like a shoe. Still tastes the same though. Oh, there we go, 29 seconds. We're gonna do it again. We're at 12 seconds. All right, it's going off. I'm gonna let the air back in. It's going off. The timer went off. We couldn't hear it a second ago. Come on, air, come on, air. I want to get it before the alarm quits beeping. Listen. It was going off. Oh, it stopped, but it was going off. It was beeping. All right, so there. And this is our last one. Yogurt, expired yogurt. This is back from December. I found it in the back of the fridge. Don't tell anybody. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Come on. I just don't think it's strong enough to break. Oh, that was awesome. That was so cool. That was awesome. Oh, I wish I had that in slow motion. Anyway. All right, guys, that was so cool. If there are other things you want to see in a vacuum pump, just for fun, let me know. I love using this thing. I love exploring different things. And this is just such a cool thing. I'm gonna let the air back in. And that's all we have for today. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and like this channel. Hit that notification bell. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. If you like that activity and want to see more experiments, make sure you like and subscribe. See you soon.